Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making homemade vegetable broth. This vegetable broth is super easy to make. All you need to do is save up your vegetable scraps, put them in the freezer, and when you have a bag, throw them in a pot with some water and a few spices and stick it on the stove and just let it simmer. So hop on board and let's get cooking. I store everything in the freezer in this bag until it is time to make broth. Take a big pot, steam cups of vegetable scraps. Add in 24 cups of water. 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns and 2 bay leaves. Add 1 tablespoon Bragg seasoning, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce or vegan Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon dried mushroom powder. Stir and bring to a low boil. Let it simmer for a couple of hours until it has cooked down. Homemade vegetable. Remove from the heat, let it cool down. And once it's cooled down, you want to strain out the vegetable scraps. I use a big pasta pot with inset, so I can just remove the inset with the vegetable scraps and then just strain the broth directly into my measuring cup. From there, I pour it into my 4-cup mason jar. These are the perfect size containers to keep my broth handy. It's super easy to make your very own homemade vegetable broth. It's an easy, healthy, and eco-friendly trick. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Or head over to our website, veggieoutlaws.com, where we have new recipes coming out every week. Or you could pick up a copy of our cookbook, Veggie Outlaws Most Wanted Vegan Recipes.